with an even skin tone, and your skin looks clear, hydrated, bouncy, and glowing. In this video, I will show you the secret for that glass skin by building your own simple but effective morning and night skincare routine. Also, some weekly skincare habits that are going to help you with clear skin, and incorporating all the tips and tricks I wish I knew earlier. Now let's begin. So before you start any sort of skincare routine, you really need to understand your skin type and your skin concerns. So examples of skin types would be dry, oily, or combination. And some examples of skin concerns may be acne, texture, large pores, wrinkles, etc. I think it's really important to really understand what kind of skin type you have and your skin concerns, because the products that you use really revolve around that. So starting off with morning skincare, which is more about focusing on protecting your skin. For that, we just need 3 skincare products. First, you need to start with cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove excess sebum, oil, and dirt from the night before. Next step is to hydrate your skin. No matter what kind of skin you have, always keeping your skin hydrated is very important. People with oily skin sometimes skip moisturizers, but that's a mistake. In fact, when your face lacks moisture, your skin thinks it's dry and produce even more oil. So moisturizers are a must. However, choosing a moisturizer with a different consistency is very important depending on your skin type. If you have dry skin, you can choose a creamy moisturizer, while if you have oily skin, you can choose a light gel moisturizer with a high water content. The last step is to use sunscreen. It is super important. You have to put this on every single day, regardless if you're outside or inside. It protects your skin from harmful sun rays, which can further harm your skin in the longer term. There's a lot better sunscreens out there now, especially Korean sunscreens. Now for night skincare, which is more focused on treating skin concerns, starts with double cleansing, where we cleanse face back to back with 2 different cleansers. First with oil cleanser, which melts away the sunscreen, makeup, and sebum on the face. You either invest in some oil cleansers or instead use something like olive oil that's rich in vitamins and antioxidants and will not only nourish the skin but keep it hydrated. Then you move on to your second cleanse, which will be with a hydrating gentle cleanser. Next step is to apply a serum. Now the only serums you need in your skincare routine are the ones that actually solve the problem you are currently facing, because as you sleep, your skin is repairing itself. If you have oily skin, go for serums like niacinamide, which helps minimize large pores and control oil production. Salicylic acid helps target whiteheads and blackheads on the T-zone and removes excess oil. For dry and dull skin, use serums like hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates the skin and gives it a plump appearance, and vitamin C, which gives a youthful looking glow. For acne-prone skin, use serums like salicylic acid to treat acne by unclogging blocked pores, benzoyl peroxide to clear acne, and retinol. If you have textured skin with tiny bumps, use salicylic acid and vitamin C serum to improve skin texture. For pigmentation and dark spots, use niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and vitamin C. Honestly, when it comes to skin, less is more. You don't need to buy every viral product you see on the internet. Toners and essence aren't really necessary skincare steps unless you like to add them to your routine. They just add an extra layer of hydration. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love it if you could like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Now the thing is that once a week, you have to add a few extra steps to your skincare routine. These steps provide a little extra cleaning effect, remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and smoothen skin texture. For this, you need to chemically exfoliate using toners or serums with ingredients like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, or AHA, BHA 1 to 2 times a week during your night routine, as sun exposure can damage skin barrier. This exfoliation method is beneficial for all skin types as it effectively removes dead skin, unclogs pores, brightens skin, and improves skin texture. Next, use a face sheet mask once a week. Although it's not a necessary step, it is definitely the most worth it, soothing, relaxing, and calming for your skin. Koreans have been using sheet masks for their skincare benefits. It hydrates and brings a glow to your face. Next, dermaplaning is a skin treatment that removes facial peach fuzz, facial hair, and dead skin cells to create a soft, smooth skin texture. It can give you an instant glass skin. You can do it yourself at home once every 15 days. And no, it doesn't grow your hair back thicker. I will explain all these steps in detail in another video. But remember, Just focusing on your skincare and just throwing various products won't get you clear glass skin. You need to focus on your insides, as skin issues often start from inside the stomach. So, make sure you are eating healthy foods like veggies, fruits, berries, and nuts. Drinking enough water daily and staying hydrated and getting good sleep are crucial. All of these factors matter beyond skincare products, which most of us overlook. Try to stress less and be happy. Honestly, the main ingredient for glass skin. In case you want any product I mentioned in this video, I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you check out more videos on skincare. I will see you there.